take pride in having a clean home, and I'm sure you do too. It sometimes seems like an endless job keeping up with kids and pets, but you know, the real problem is the one you can't see. Most experts agree that the air inside our home is 3 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Some even claim that it's up to 100 times more polluted. That's pretty scary. The way homes are built these days, they're almost airtight. And while that's good for insulation, it can trap a lot of pollutants inside. And it's a lot more than just dust and dirt. Bacteria, viruses and fungi build up and lurk in our living space. Add to that all the household chemicals we use, and it's easy to see that indoor air pollution is a huge problem. The truth is that we breathe in about 12,000 litres of air each day. We take over 22,000 breaths every 24 hours. And with each breath we can inhale up to 12,000 particles of pollutants. So what's in all the air that we breathe? There are 3 primary types of indoor pollutants. Plant particles like pollen, mould and cotton fibres. Animal like pet and human skin particles, dust mites and germs. And man-made pollutants like toxic gases, chemicals and cigarette smoke. All of these things are much more than just annoying. Studies show that besides allergies, all of these things can contribute to the onset of asthma. Airborne particles and germs stress even the most healthy respiratory system and can be even more dangerous to infants, the elderly and people with chronic disease. As you probably already know, no matter how clean you keep your home, there are millions of dust mites living in your carpets, upholstery and mattresses. These are all things you can't see, much less try to get rid of, no matter how hard you work to try to keep your home clean. Health authorities say that indoor air pollution is one of the top 5 risks to our health. Air quality in private homes is an emerging health problem. Millions of people, almost 1 in every 5, now suffer from serious allergies. Enough bad news? Well, the good news is that you can do something to help eliminate this problem in your home. The American Environmental Protection Agency recommends that you take these 3 steps to improve the quality of air in your home or in any indoor space. First, you must attack the source. You can do this by using a high-quality home cleaning system every time you clean your home and by changing the filters regularly. Second, every chance you get, let in some outside air. Nature cleans the air outdoors, so open windows and doors whenever the weather permits. The third thing that industry experts recommend is the use of high-quality room air cleaners, and that's where the confusion comes in. With so many different types available, how do you know what a high-quality air cleaner is? When I started to really research it, I found out that there's a huge difference in the way they perform and that some are very efficient, but not very effective. The effectiveness of an air cleaner depends on both the efficiency, which is the percentage or amount of pollutants that are removed from the air as it comes through the device, and the amount of airflow that comes through the system. So let me explain with the use of this industrial airborne particle analyzer. The air in this room is nearly 10,208 particles per litre at 0.3 microns. We'll measure a competitor's machine at the exit vent, and you can see that the number of airborne particles has dropped down to 3,452. It's gone up a little bit again, and now it's dropped down to 3,177. Next, we have another air purifier, and I'm going to show you how efficient this is at capturing and reducing particulates. This is more efficient than the previous machine because it's dropping the particle rate down to 1,433, 1,828, so it's popped back up again, and now it's gone back down again. Now let me introduce you to the new Healthway air purifier with its advanced EMF air cleaning technology. We're going to measure the efficiency of this machine at capturing particles at 0.3 microns. And then we'll put it by the machine and it's dropped down to 6,000, gosh, straight down to 2,500. And that's incredible, it's gone straight down to 0. So you can see for yourself that this machine is 100% efficient at removing all particles at 0.3 microns. Healthway has been in the business of purifying air for over 30 years. The Healthway team of doctors, scientists and engineers has been developing revolutionary products and technologies that thoroughly clean the air in hospitals, medical clean rooms, manufacturing environments, and even for military applications. Healthway purification systems go way beyond everything else on the market today, and way beyond what most companies claim as HEPA filtration. Healthway's products are listed by the American Food and Drug Administration as medical purification devices, and they've won numerous industry awards. But the reason I believe that Healthway's products will protect my family's health is because not only do their products trap all the harmful airborne pollutants better than the others, they actually destroy the bacteria, viruses, molds and fungi that enter into every Healthway system. We're so confident that the Healthway air filtration system works that we set one up in a medium-sized room 3 hours ago. Before we placed one of the Healthway air cleaners in this room, we measured the airborne particles, and this was the result. Just under 16,000 particles at 0.3 microns. Now let's have another look after leaving the machine running for about 3 hours. As you can see, the particle count in this room has now fallen to under 1,800 particles at 0.3 microns. This clearly shows that the Healthway air filtration system makes a noticeable difference to any room and makes the room cleaner, safer and healthier for my family. Healthway's new enhanced media filtration, or EMF technology, represents the most significant advancement in the air quality industry in years. Here's how it works. Air enters through this 360-degree intake, which allows the machine to be placed anywhere in the room. The air goes through a 1,800 gram carbon zeolite pre-filter. Here, chemical compounds and odours are absorbed. Air is then pulled up through the fully sealed unit into the 100% sealed EMF main filter. Spun seal technology ensures that 100% of the unit is sealed to guarantee no leakage. The most significant advancement is that the metal grid here and the metal grid here is creating 18,000 volts of electricity. So everything inside this filter, 100%, every particle is being treated with 18,000 volts, ensuring no microorganism growth. Healthway have independently certified destruction rates for this machine. It kills 99 to 100% of viruses, 98 to 100% of bacteria, and 94 to 100% of mold and fungi. Healthway have taken this a step further by assuring you that your filter and your electrostatically driven killing zone is working at peak efficiency. The efficiency of this filter is constantly monitored. When the filter is no longer efficient, no longer providing you with the clean air that you expect, the light will go on to alert you to replace your filter. Let's take a few minutes to look at the Healthway benefits again. I'd like to show you the revolutionary way that Healthway provides the ultimate air purity for your home. Healthway's enhanced media filtration air purification incorporates the patented award-winning EMF technology that makes Healthway so superior and so unique. Healthway's patented EMF technology was developed through a research grant focused on germ warfare. The total filtration system traps harmful microorganisms and then uses a high-energy field to completely destroy all bacteria, viruses, molds and fungi. It represents the most significant advance in the indoor air quality industry to date. The Healthway 2600-03 EMF air purification system is one of the most advanced units in the world. It's listed by the American Federal Drugs Administration as a Class II medical air purification system. Independent laboratory testing certify that it kills 98 to 100% of bacteria, 99 to 100% of viruses, and 94 to 100% of the mold and fungi that it traps. Its overall efficiency is rated at capturing 99.99% of all particulates 0.3 microns in size. The 4-stage filter incorporates 1,800 grams of granule carbon and zeolite that actually scrub gases and chemicals from the air. The 30-centimetre diameter EMF unit is 100% sealed, so no air can bypass around the filter, ensuring that all of the air passing through the unit is treated by this EMF germ-killing zone. The 2600-03 has 3 speeds, easily adjustable by the speed control. A filter light indicates when a filter change is needed, and the biomonitor light shows the EMF germ-killing zone is working at peak efficiency. It glides on 4 casters and has 2 convenient hand grips for easy movement. It's recommended for rooms up to 92 square metres in size and moves air at over 5,500 litres per minute. Without a doubt, the 2600-03 provides the ultimate in air purity. The Healthway EMF air purification system is proven to remove particulates, germs, moulds, fungi and household gases from the air in your home or workplace. You've seen the dramatic difference that a Healthway air purification system can make in removing the pollutants from your home. Contact your Healthway dealer today and see for yourself why Healthway is the world leader in home air purification.